We want the best for our students. We want to inspire the next generation of thinkers, and everyone here is passionate in what they do.
We believe in parent partnerships. We work closely with them to give our students the best possible chance to succeed.
At ThinkTeach, we believe that the journey to success is a three-way one, which involves us as teachers, our students, and their parents.
We aim to bring out the best in every student. We challenge and equip them to think better, study smarter, and score higher.
Our students come to us with different strengths and weaknesses. Our teachers are trained to recognize that so that we can cater to their needs and maximize their potential.
Our students feel motivated to learn. They feel a sense of belonging at ThinkTeach and look forward to coming here for every lesson.
We want our students to fall in love with learning so that they can believe in their potential to achieve success within and beyond the classroom.
In 2017, I traded the courtroom for the classroom. I co-founded ThinkTeach Academy and poured my heart and soul into building it into the institution it is today. I wanted to revolutionize education and empower students with bolder and smarter learning techniques.
It's always heartwarming when parents tell us how lucky they are to have found us and how much their children enjoy being here. This gives us great pride in the work we do here and motivates us to be better teachers every day.
I'm proud of what ThinkTeach stands and is known for today. Our education philosophy of teaching and thinking smart forms our identity and will continue to undergird ThinkTeach Academy. Everything we do is to enrich and empower our students to reach greater heights. Everything we do has to always be smarter. It has to always be better.